Alright, so let's look at the setup and the do-it-yourself iPad stand. So there's a cardboard version of it, and I'll provide a link on how to make that with more details. I fold these two tabs up, and then I like to pinch them together with this binder clip. Makes it a little more stable. And then I will put my iPad on it and just stand it on there. There you go, and you can see it gives me two arms for mobility. I can move it around, but you're going to try not to move it around too much. There you have it, and here's my great actor. Right here I will click on Start in iMotion, and there it is. I will capture, move my little actor, capture, and so on. I keep moving, I get my hand out of the way, I capture, move, capture, capture. I'll just do a few just to give you a sense of it, and we'll play it back after. And off screen, one last one, I will say stop. I'm going to have to do that twice to stop the capture. Press this second time, and there's my stop motion. I could slow down the speed so you can see it a little bit even more. And there you go. Enjoy.